everyone, I'm Ayana, and today I'm going to talk about how to make a YouTube video. Number one is you need to use a camera holder. Example, when you're making a YouTube short or a TikTok, you need a camera or a stand. And if you don't need a camera or a stand, you can just hold it and bring somewhere. And also, while you're taking a video, and don't forget you have to post it on your channel. And if you don't post it, then you won't have the video and you'll waste it. Number two, the second is while you're making a YouTube video, you should while you're using a YouTube short, you should always put the stand in front of you and not at the side of you. Because if you put it at the side, the camera will be facing from here to here. But if you put it in front, the camera will be facing here. And the reason why you should put it in front is so that, and if you put it at the side, people will only be seeing like half of the face. And if you put it in front, everyone will see the thing. And if you want them to see like your whole body, you need to put it in like all the way in front. Thank you for listening.